Share the good for Isaiah 23, verse 24 and 25, Proverbs 23. We are reading verses 24 and verse 25. Incwadi yeZaga inalo the New Testament just before Revelations. Amen. So you can go that side. Towards the end of the Bible, you'll find the book of Proverbs. Oh, was already don't go there. Amen. Mama, it's Proverbs 23, verse 24 and 25. Proverbs 24 and 23, verse 24 and 25.
The father of the righteous man has a great joy.
The father of a righteous man has a great joy.
He who has a wise son delights in him.
He who has a wise son delights in him. A meeting after church. My meeting later I say, let go and let God. And because I must pay June, so I'm trying to wait to a postmortem to check what went right or what went wrong. But as of now, I'm letting go and I'm letting God. But until God must lay I can't let go and let God. I need to talk to them. Amen. Yeah, Masalani Kenizela Mankosama Zelia introduce a speaker said Manje Sentlushoilo Muti Lomzala Kalina Matata to Miguelo Nayo Figala Alagati says Figala because it's 20 years. Ushuti lozula nelazo shumela ushuti na various devil ngopela manje ayikho into enzima nje ukuthi uhlulo uNkulunkulu ukhona into eyenzekela manje lapho azalwane njengoba bebala mashumayeleka futhi mashumayezwa labantwana babanikeze memory verses ne bakhona abangenzelele uthi makakhohlwa le verse ubuyele embhalweni ashumayezeke ukuthi la ubreaka khona ubhaja khona empilweni buyele embhalweni akumenzi ukunika like makalikhipha le ufuna ukumbona ukuthi uzokwenza azange ahluphe walanda wadonsa umbhalo wabheka umbhalo usho ukuthi no bazalwane manje inkosi yasithanda la sabeka khona donsa umbhalo noma kungabanzima njani mara angeke sihlule nabantwana ngibonile le akehlanga stage akashiyanga my part into ayenzi ubona manje ngiyabhaja wathi anginendaba nalabantu ngine assignment engithunyelwe wadonsa umbhalo wakwasiku umbhalo isho ukuthi sonke basebani ngempela ngokubela kaKristu la sangena khona asibuyele embhalweni